friends, in this video we are going to learn a concept what is advantage plus creative in meta ads. As you can see, I'm into my meta ads manager. I'm creating a new campaign and this is the ad campaign level. Here in this ad campaign we have a single ad set, and in that particular single ad set we have a single ad creative, right? And I'm right now at ad creative level. So while designing this ad campaign, there is a section called ad creative. Now when we click on this setup creative, it asks us whether you want to run an image ad or video ad. If I select this image ad, here I can upload any banner or like any post, whatever I want to showcase my like as an ad. So I can simply upload that banner whose ad I want to run. So I have already like uploaded a banner. I will select it and I will click on next, and then again next, and again next. Now here comes the advantage plus creative enhancement, right? Meta is saying that it can enhance your image or banner or post by using their AI technology. What they can do in enhancement as an advantage plus creative, they can like put 3D animation on your banner, like as you can see in this particular image, like zoom in zoom out effect they can put on your banner, as well as they can enhance the CTA button, right? CTA button would be enhanced, like the button would come in between the banner from the like bottom. Apart from this, they can show spotlights, like an icon can be shown on your banner, right? After a few seconds the user watches that particular banner. And apart from that, reveal details over time, like you can show your particular product catalog on your banner as well. You can add overlays, right? Headline would come over here on your banner. Visual touch-ups can be done, like the brightness can be increased or contrast can be adjusted. You can as well as also add music to your banner, right? And apart from that, the AI technology will improve the text of the banner, like primary text and all, headlines and description. If there is anything wrong with the primary text, headline or description, like there would be any grammatical mistake, then it would be improved using AI. So this is all the advantage plus creative, like Meta AI technology will enhance your ad creative in these kind of manners, right? So the question arises here, should you use the advantage plus creative or not, right? Then my answer would be like, if you put 3D animation, might be during the zoom in or zoom out effect, right? The edges of your banner will cut down, right? So like might be this particular thing is not going to help me out, right? Apart from that, if I talk about the CTA button, might be the main content of the banner is here, then CTA button would just appear over that, like overlapping it. So might be it will also kill my banner in any circumstance. Apart from that, like visual touch-ups can also be you can say obstructive sometimes, because as you can see the banner is sitting from the left side, right? So like brightness would be increased or contrast would be increased, might be it can happen that the naturality of that particular banner can lose, right? So I would not personally recommend all these ad creative enhancement. You can turn off those which you don't require simply, and can keep turn on. For example, I just want to add music, then I can simply turn off all these and keep the music one enhancement create as in turn on, right? So you can simply do whatever you want, and this is the all about advantage plus creative, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit our website and can explore the course over there, and you can directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.